the Skyway Classics. We're now going for a ride in our 1966 Chevy SS Chevelle. One of the nice features about this car is it is a 138 car with 4-speed manual, no aftermarket gauges. One of the nicest features is just the original style tech, which does work. We got our 2-knob radio here with cassette, the little clock down there inside the console. But yeah, nice little red paint job. As you can see, the red inside is very beautiful. Going down the road, there's no issues here. Steering is really nice and smooth. Brakes, really strong. And everything about this car is just really nice. I can say that for myself, and I am a Chevy guy. A very solid car. Everything works, especially the fact that we got this vintage air here. Blows really nice and cold. Very powerful, especially for a big block 396. Oof. There's so many nice features about this car. But anyway, we're going to get her turn around up here, put her on the lift, let you guys take a look at the underneath. We'll see you there.
Trying to